Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Haley and I do cleaning videos, organization, and then motherhood videos. I'm just starting out. I'm a new mom. In case you guys didn't know, I have almost a 2-week-old, and yeah, today we're gonna be doing a little tidy around the house just because, you know, with the baby, things don't get cleaned as well as they should because things have been crazy. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what we're working with, and then we're going to get right on into the video. Okay, so here's the living room. We just have stuff everywhere. There's the baby. Yeah, this I need to really organize. When here we just have like blankets. When we've gone out, we've just left our car seat. The kitchen is fairly clean, just need to do the dishes. And then the bathroom just can use a little bit of tidying too. But other than that, I think that's really it. It shouldn't take us too long, but yeah, let's get right on into cleaning. Okay, so the first thing that you're seeing me doing is just cleaning the living room, and I'm first starting out by putting the pillows into my room, and I forgot to get video of me making my bed and stuff, but I did do that. But I'm just going ahead and tidying up this living room. On this particular night, I did have family coming to bring me dinner, and so I wanted to make sure that the house was nice and tidied for them when they came. Also, as I'm doing this voiceover, sorry if you hear the little baby noises in the background, but that's, I guess, the life of having a little baby and doing YouTube. But I'm so happy that you guys are here. I said in the beginning of the video I was 2 weeks postpartum, and now I'm about 3 weeks postpartum as I'm doing the voiceover and am uploading this video. So a little bit later, I look different now. Baby's gotten bigger. I'm planning on doing a month update video for me and baby girl next week, so be looking forward to that. I'm also going to do what I wish I would have packed in my hospital bag. But yeah, I'm just going to kind of let you watch me clean a little bit. I hope that this is satisfying for you. I'm still working on angles, as you guys know, and lighting. It's so hard, but yeah, I'll just let you guys kind of just watch. So something that I have been kind of wondering if maybe this is a video that you guys might want to see is just kind of breastfeeding and my personal schedule for that and how I've been doing it. So far I've been having quite a bit of an oversupply, but do you guys want to know like some of my tips and tricks that I've been learning, and how I just kind of have been storing my milk, and all that kind of stuff? I'm thinking that I could maybe do a video on that, or just like breastfeeding and how that whole journey has gone for me so far. I know I'm only like 3 weeks postpartum, but I feel like I've learned so much in that time period. So let me know if that is something that you guys would want to see, because I can definitely do that, if that's something that you guys are interested in kind of seeing from me. But yeah. Does anyone else feel the same way as me when you're cleaning all of the stuff from pumping? It just takes forever and ever, and I feel like all the pieces are so time consuming. And like me, I pump every other feed, and that ends up being quite a bit of work. I'm looking into getting a wireless pump, so let me know in the comments which pump I should like look into getting, just because for the sake of when I'm working and stuff like that, I want something pretty easy and it doesn't take a lot of effort, just because I'm gonna be busy and I just want something on the go quick. So let me know in the comments your recommendations. Okay, so the last place that we're going to tackle in today's video is the bathroom, and I'm just cleaning up my makeup right now, putting it on my makeup bag, and then I'm going to go ahead and give the counters a good wipe down, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean the toilet, because like I said, I have people coming over and I wanted it to just look tidied for them. But yeah, just kind of tidying. We're not doing anything extravagant, just making it so that way my house looks presentable for when people come over. But I'm so glad that you guys hung out and watched today's video. Thank you for being here. I really do appreciate it. But leave all your video requests down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!